Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. I went in two lots of charity shops today. Picked up that one in Ashton Gate or Bedminster, depending on whether you're a local or not. Southville, in fact, was the location, but people like to call it Bedminster. Anyway, £3.49. Crazy price for me. They actually had three of them. I was very tempted to buy all three because I think my daughters would probably like the cat. Actually, I'll just put the spotlight on, see if that'll actually light it up. Let's light it up. Well, it's rocking as it is now, but I think that's because I just knocked it. Let's put the... Is that going to be enough to get it going? Maybe not. Let's get the other light going on. Yeah, halogen light. So that one's a worker. Yeah, much more than I like to spend. Oh, let's turn that one off as well. Okay. It's working now. But I had to have it. That was actually in the Cats Protection League charity shop, funnily enough. Puckator. East Tap House, Cornwall. Okay, and then different set of charity shops, Keynsham. Spotted one of these, U-Gears. I've actually got quite a few kits in my stock at the moment. I buy them when I see them because they're quite expensive if you buy them new. So £5, although that's much more than I like to spend, is good value for one of these kits. This one is a automaton. It's a cyclist. You've got a lever there that you push up and down, and that makes him pedal, I think. No glue required. Made out of plywood. So that will go with the other ones in my stock. At some time I'll get around to doing them. I keep saying I take them on holiday so that if we have rainy weather, I've got something to sit inside and do. So £5 for that, and £3.49 for that. That's more than I used to spend in a week in charity shops. I used to aim for spending £1. Anyway, you might have just seen something else fell on the floor. And if you watch my videos, you know that I like picking stuff up that I see on the floor. This was obviously had been used to clamp a sign to a post, and then they've cut it off when they finished using it. These straps are relatively expensive. I mean, they're not free, look at it that way. But I've got 3 free ones now. This bit's no good. You can just pull that straight through because it's been cut off. So that can go in the bin. This bit, if you're not aware, you just have to push the little lever up that's in there. And there you go. So I've now got 2 full-sized ones and 1 short one. They're always handy to have. Well, I buy packs of them, but if they're laying in the street, I'll have them. So that was a good day out by my standards. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.